NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell on Friday poked fun at his unpopularity in New Orleans because of the Saints bounty scandal.
I couldn't feel more welcome here. You know, when you look back at it, my picture, as you point out, is in every restaurant. I had a float in the Mardi Gras parade. We got a voodoo doll.
Goodell was talking about pictures like this one, which says, "Go to hell, Goodell," and a vulgar Mardi Gras parade float. Goodell said his biggest regret about the scandal is that he can't get everyone to recognize that bounties need to be eliminated from the game.
There is no question that there was a bounty program in place for 3 years. I think that that is bad for the players, for the game.
Goodell vowed to be, quote, incredibly relentless about enforcing the ban on bounties. Saints fans at the NFL Experience theme park in New Orleans said they weren't going to let Goodell wreck their party.
He's the Grinch who stole our Christmas, but it's Mardi Gras, so it's all good in the neighborhood. Welcome, Roger.
Others are not so forgiving.
We don't care that he's here. We don't want him here. So, yeah, there's a lot of anger towards Roger Goodell.
Some fans are just looking forward to seeing the Saints take the field again.
It happened. It's time to move on. Get ready for next season.
Head coach Sean Payton was suspended for the season and 4 players penalized after evidence that players were being paid money to hurt opposing players. The suspensions were eventually rescinded by former NFL Commissioner Paul Tagliabue acting as an arbitrator. Ted Chaffrey, Associated Press, New Orleans.